Hi everybody, Nancy here. I just want to wish everyone a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from me and Bibi and Charlie. And I especially want to thank everyone for all their support this year and helping me build my channel and subscribing and all your wonderful messages. And a special thank you to the Facebook group Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting and all my new friends. I love talking to everybody and seeing everyone's projects and sharing ideas. It's just such a wonderful group full of sweet, kind people, and you're really making my life better and more fun and happier. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.